Okay, so we're going to have a photograph taken today with Gary using his watch to control the camera, which is I've never really seen before, and it's quite interesting.
Well, what I'm going to do is just open the camera app
Okay.
on the watch. It will open up, if it's not already open, it will open up on the iPhone, and you can see it's actually got us here.
Oh yes.
So we can line it up, we can move around if we need to, and using the digital crown on the side, I can actually zoom in as well, and as you can see, I've got a preview. So let's just get that right, and I can take a picture like that. The only thing is you've got me with my, watch in midair because I'm controlling it, and you can see it's come up with a little picture there, so I can see how the picture came up.
Oh yes, I can see what you're saying now.
So I can just close that. But what I want is to do the 3 seconds.
Right.
So if I do 3 seconds, it gets me a moment to get into position. So if I tap on that, there we go. And on the camera, you saw the light flashing, so we know that the time is going. The good thing is if I'd put that into video mode actually on the phone, then what would happen is I could actually record here. So if we were using this to record this podcast, then I could use that as well. But look at that, it's come up. If I tap here, we can actually see the picture that came out, and I can zoom in and out. There you go. So that's the picture that we got. So it's pretty
really
impressive.
nice.
So what I've done is I've used the Apple Watch to control the camera app on the iPhone, and the two of them together. It just gives you that chance to put that down and not have to hold the phone out like this and get a selfie with your arm stretched out. And it gives you a lot more options. The only thing that I would say is if you're doing this somewhere, just make sure that someone may not run past and grab the phone and run off with it. So you don't want it maybe too far off in the distance. But we've used this a lot when we've been on holiday, and hopefully we'll be able to get back to holidays sometime soon.
Yeah, it's nice for us to have a photograph together like this.
Yeah, absolutely. So you might see more photographs of us. So if you like this, if this was useful, don't forget we've got loads of other videos, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.